Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can complete the mushroom collector quest in Fish It Roblox. So here, as you guys know, there is a mushroom collector quest that you can find on the ancient jungle. But if you want to know first where you can start the quest, here inside the ancient jungle you can just find this forager Jen. Talk to her and you can just click on this one, what you're doing here. And here what you need to do is just collect 30 mushroom that place inside the ancient jungle. So you can just find it. I've already collected 7. So the mushroom will look like this ones right here. So you can just pick it up until you collect 30. So let's find the other one. So you need to look for it carefully because the mushroom is small like this. Let's find another one in here. It might be also on you need to also cross the ocean first. Let's see if we can find it in here. I think I found it on the other side. Okay, like this one. Let's find another one. I've already collected 10. Okay, there's also here. So search for it carefully, and when you successfully collect the mushroom, you can just go back to Jane to hand over the mushroom. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.